Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I really hope that you guys are doing well. So in today's video I'll be sharing review and my experience on few products that has been sent to me from eMegaMart. I received these products a few days back and I've been using their products ever since, and I'm ready to give you my reviews on their product. So yeah, before starting the video, let me give you a quick introduction about the company.
eMegaMart is a Rajkot-based company. They have a wide variety of skincare products, hair care products, and many beauty and fashion-related products. They even have several skincare kits targeting particular concerns like skin brightening, acne control kit, winter care kit, and many more. The one which I received is a kit for hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone, which has 5 products. If you want to buy their products or just want to check out their product categories, you can simply visit their website.
I'll link everything in the description box so that you can go and check out their website. They even have their Instagram page and a Facebook page, so go check that out as well. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's start the video.
So the very first product that we have is a face wash. This is called Glomex C. This face wash contains vitamin C, hyaluronic acid and glycolic acid. Glycolic acid has antibacterial and antioxidant properties which helps in reducing acne scars, dark patches and age spots. These products are specially made for oily and acne prone skin, so you won't feel any tugging or pulling if you have oily skin or acne prone skin. I have normal skin, sometimes dry skin in winters, so after application it didn't dry out my skin. Although if you have dry skin in particular, then apply a moisturizer after you're done washing. Overall, the experience was really good with this face wash. The next product that we have is Chocolate Scrub. This is a face and a body scrub. It has walnut shell particles and minerals that polishes dull skin through mild exfoliation and makes it brighter. It has kind of thick consistency, and one thing I was impressed was its fragrance. It smells like real chocolates. That explains the warning on the packaging that it has that says not edible. Anyways, this is one of my favorite products from the lot and I thoroughly enjoyed using it, and my skin really felt so soft and brighter. So the next product is Hydrogel. As the name suggests, it is a gel-based moisturizer which is made of hyaluronic acid. It doesn't have any fragrance as well, so basically it is perfect for all skin types, even for sensitive skin. After application, it dries down to a matte finish, hence best for oily skin beauties. And this could work best under your makeup. It won't be oily or sticky, just enough to keep you hydrated. Next is their skin brightening and whitening cream. This is called A2 Light. First and foremost, I want to tell all the girls out there that you are beautiful the way you are. You don't have to change yourself or your skin color to prove anyone. But even if you want to do so, you can try this one, as it has alpha-arbutin, which is known for its skin lightening effects. Alpha-arbutin fades scars and pigmentation left from acne and sun damage. Although I'm not sure about the performance of this cream, but in long run it may help. After application, it feels very natural on the skin, not matte or drying, just a comfortable one. Last but not the least, my second favorite product is this 360 block sunscreen gel. Everything what I need in a sunscreen is present in this one. It has blue light filter, SPF 50+, UVA and UVB protection, PA+++. It is lightweight, water resistant and has matte finish. It is a physical sunscreen having titanium dioxide as their active ingredient. Physical sunscreen sits on top of your skin and reflects the UV rays, whereas chemical sunscreen absorbs the UV rays, converts it into heat and releases it from the skin. Some people get age spots or sunspots due to trapped heat. Sorry for too much information on this sunscreen. That's because I'm a sunscreen junkie. Yeah, coming to the application, this really feels very soft and lightweight on the skin, and it has minimal to no white cast, which is a bonus for Indian skin tones. Even though the sunscreen has a matte finish, skin types other than oily will also enjoy it as it has a very comfortable matte finish. So guys, that's all for today's video. I really hope that you liked the video. If so, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Trust me, it really means a lot to me. I'll see you next time with a new video. Till then, take good care of yourself, stay healthy and stay beautiful. Bye bye.